Hobbs Avenue, and we've been doing some fun things the past 2 weeks in our homeschool. We've been learning about winter in the Arctic and how animals such as penguins, polar bears, walruses, and even people, how they stay warm in the cold weather. And so I wanted to share with you some of our experiments so maybe you could have some fun doing them with your children. So the first one we did was penguins. Now, we learned that penguins have an oil coating on their feathers to keep the water out when they are swimming, which helps keep them dry and warm. And so what I did was I gave them this can, which on the bottom here is water and blue food coloring, and here on the top is some vegetable oil. And then they would shake it up, and then they could watch as it would just separate again. The water would not mix with the oil. And so that was a fun experiment, and they still have these cans and they're still shaking them daily. The next one we had learned about was polar bears. Now we didn't do a whole lot with polar bears, but we did learn about their skin, which is black, and how black color absorbs more heat than other colors. That is one way the polar bear stays warm, and also that their hair is hollow, which the air kind of acts as an insulator. The next experiment I wanted to show you about was we learned about the blubber in walruses, and this was probably my boys' favorite, and I will have my son help me show you do that. So to help me out, I have my 4-year-old, and we're going to show you our blubber experiment. So what we have in this bowl is some ice water. Is it cold? Okay, so what we did first was we tested how cold the water is, and we went to see how long we can hold our hand in the water. So stick your hand in the water.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Whew, is that cold?
Yeah, it's super freezing.
It's super freezing.
Yeah, I'll have to put blubber on it first.
You want to put the blubber on? Okay, so then if you have a glove, like one of those doctor gloves, that works good, but we didn't have any. So we used some saran wrap just to keep less messy.
Blubber, then blubber.
Next, for our blubber, we just use some shortening. And you take it, spread it all around. Okay, then what we did was we got some more saran wrap just to help with the mess. Okay, now try it.
It's not cold.
It's not cold? Could you hold it in there for a long time?
1, 2, 3, 4.
You could hold it in there a long time, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think walruses stay warm with their blubber?
Mm-hmm.
They do. Thanks for helping me, bud. Is it cold?
No.
No? Then the last thing we did was we learned about how people can live in the Arctics and how they use igloos to stay warm. And so we kind of took some sugar cubes and had fun with frosting and just building igloos. So I'll show you a fun little clip from our igloo day. what we've been doing the past 2 weeks, and I hope you can have fun maybe trying some of these experiments at home. Bye.